inventory, basically that you just said the variety that we have in our inventory.
Yeah.
Yeah. From the inventory, we have the maintenance cost of the inventory because the books, we don't want it to be damaged. They can be kept
Yeah.
for long, so we have to maintain it in a good
Yeah.
way.
So you are having your own storage.
Yeah, own storage system.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So after having the maintenance cost, we figure out what our selling price will be, as you said.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
market forces as well as our costs that we are procuring.
Mm.
We'll put that and keep that in mind, and then when we once select the price that we are selling in, we'll bring out websites also so that we can publish it there as well. Our
Yeah.
online, we can sell it online as well.
Yeah.
And also we can use the socials for advertisements and marketing, which
Yes.
directly relates with the marketing
Yeah.
function.
Yeah.
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 After doing all the marketings and websites, all the socials, we go to the placements of the books, basically the retail stores that we will build for ourselves, for the physical stores. Placement of the store, the aesthetics of
Okay.
the
Okay.
aesthetics, lights and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
It should be a good study.
Yeah.
Warm, cozy light and all. Book
Okay.
culture, basically, how
Yeah.
they,
Yeah.
they have a very warm sort of.
Yeah. So you expect to have 100 shops in India with these books?
Yeah, we'll start with one, then we'll go for the branches.
Okay.
We'll
Okay.
have that. Yeah, and then from there we go to the no.
Yeah.
First we go to the MIS system, basically that we kept so that we can keep a record of whatever we have in the inventory. We need something, we can't keep it manually.
No.
It takes a lot of time. So
Yeah.
everything can be kept in one MIS system so that it will be easy. And that also helps us with the storage maintenance
Yeah.
because we'll have the record of everything. So after, and also from the placement, we go to the customers
Yeah.
who will come to our retail stores.
Yeah.
Customers are students, book enthusiasts, teachers, maybe collectors, like who like to collect different sort of books,
Yeah. So
limited editions or first copies.
yeah.
They are our customers.
So you have segmented the market. So it's specific customers that you are focusing at.
After the customers arrive in the shop, they should receive a warm welcome, which is people out there who are this service staff.
Yeah. Warm welcome. That's value proposition, isn't it?
Yeah, the staff service.
Yeah. But that's on value proposition, isn't it?
Value proposition.
So if I give a warm welcome, then it's a kind of a value, yeah, service. Yeah.
We will add it there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So after doing the warm welcome, we'll go to the basically the main thing, which is the sales.
Yeah.
We have the
Yeah.
sales, we'll have the sales, which will be our main revenue.
Yeah.
Sales will be our main revenue.
Yeah.
And once we get the sales, we also are thinking of doing the after sales services.
Okay.
Basically,
Yeah.
from like the staff services, they get after sales services. They can be different after sales services. So that is where we have put an end after the service. Yeah. Again, there are certain modules that we have considered in the network section also. We have included community engagement. Community engagement.
Yeah.
Basically, keep all of the publishers and books interact together in the community.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
We can be for the protection of IP for like publishers, maybe authors, maybe.
Okay. Okay.
Collaboration with developers.
Yeah. Yeah.
And also, we can implement POD services. POD is basically printing on demand service, which may reduce
Yeah.
excessive what to say, excessive that's surplus of products. Whenever there is a demand or there is one order, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then the workshop. Yeah.
To do workshops,
Yeah.
maybe literary workshops and all with the authors.
Yeah.
This can also be a source of
Yeah.
stores. Yeah.
Yeah.
It can also
Yeah.
like how we are doing a workshop right here.
Yeah. So does that mean that out of the process you have got 2, 4, 6, 7 bubbles out of this process?
After
Yeah.
everything, we thought we could add to.
Yeah, but yeah.
Downloading it.
Yeah. So just after downloading, you have got 7 business models. Yeah, that you can put up here if it was magnetic, and then you can take a decision if you want. Yeah. Yeah.
If you see
Yeah.
the bubbles that we have implemented, these are very cost efficient.
Yeah.
These are not very, what to say, these are sustainable but at the same time very cost efficient.
Yeah. Yeah.
Authors as well, those who are publishing their new books, they can come to the retail shops and like there are systems where they read books, right, or they sign the books.
Yeah.
That is also a kind of workshop only, like for the new books.
Yeah.
And also marketing and workshops. Indie authors,
Yeah.
indie authors, they won't be charging much. They
Mm.
won't be charging much in comparison
New
to
authors,
who are,
yeah. No,
who
no.
are old authors or who are very experienced in the field. In comparison to them, they will be charging very less.
Yeah. Yeah. So if I understand it correctly, what you can do is you can take one of these here, and then you can go over here, and then you can start exactly the same process, and I put it here. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yes. So you have a lot of work to do tonight.
Like a business has different businesses.
Yes. Yeah.
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 And everything has something that we can add on.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah.
Every time
Yeah.
we can make a new model out of it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Super. Great. I still do not understand quite why you are pricing related to the competitors, because you are special.
Not exactly competitors. Like we are also checking our costs, right? But we have to also see if what the market, if they are selling it in a low cost,
Yeah.
in a low price, and we have it high because of our
Yeah.
cost and our, if we check our profit, if it's high, they'll not come to our store and buy it.
No.
Yeah. So we have to also think
Yeah.
one in one way or the other. We have to think of the competitors as well.
Yeah. So I
Our
am.
main will be our cost, how less, how efficient we can make it,
Yeah.
so that our price won't get high.
No.
So that will be
Yeah.
our main.
Yeah.
Determined by the market, like what the consumers, what the customers actually want.
Yeah.
Because what kind of something,
Yeah.
which is like based on their like preferences.
Yeah.
Basically, customers'
Yeah.
preferences
Yeah.
come into.
Yeah. So you don't have a blue ocean. You are.
No, it's not a blue ocean.
You propose the business model into a red ocean.
This will anyway go to red ocean because book is something which anybody can.
No, yeah, no, because if it was unique and it was a blue ocean, then you could set any price.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
book is a difficult model
yeah,
for a
yeah, yeah,
see somewhere they have to lose out on.
yeah, yeah.
And if we see that books is one of the
Yeah.
portfolio.
Yeah.
You ask us not a book business. It's
No.
not just a book business.
No.
We have pencils as well. We have
Yeah.
keyboards as well.
Yeah.
We have to manage books with that. With
Yeah. Okay.
This is just one that we have taken into
Yeah.
consideration out
Yeah.
of the four.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the other three are also.
Yeah.
So I also would like to add a point. We have taken up the books business and not the keyboard business.
No.
Because keyboards are anyway doing better than the last year.
Yeah. Yeah.
Their position has
Yeah.
improved over the time.
Yeah.
We have, if you see the books business,
Yeah.
it is stagnant. That's
Yeah.
why we wanted
Where did you have your board? It's over there, and the books were
blue one are the books.
okay.
This one was basically books, but we
Yeah.
could see that it was in a maturity and
Yeah.
a decline.
Okay.
From the last year, it did not increase, neither did it decrease.
Okay. Okay.
Quite stagnant. So
Yeah.
that is why we thought we could take the books.
Yeah. Yeah.
That-
Yeah, yeah. That's a good also kind of way to start when you do the presentation. You say, why have I actually taken the books? Why is this interesting? And then it is a good observation. Yeah,
Because this one was also increasing. It was
yeah,
negative, but it's still coming
yeah,
up again.
yeah,
And Cubes is already in a growth
yeah,
stage.
yeah.
Also with the pencils, it's like it's not, it is in decline, but
Mm.
not that much.
No. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
And we are not looking forward to kill any business aspect.
Okay,
Because we
okay.
live in keyboard like that.
So, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Like we are into
yeah, yeah,
last year,
yeah,
because of summer study,
yeah, yeah,
almost stagnant.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's very fine.
Also, we can't make it
Yeah.
clumsy so that they have to focus on all the things, right?
Okay. No, 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 no. That's okay. So you came very far, and yeah, this to make it complete. Could you put your bubbles on that you have here as a yeah as a result? We can move the boards over here so that okay, good, yes, yeah, and you look as if you are nearly finished. Yes. Uh, so can you explain your business model? If you get a microphone, if you get two microphones, can you then explain? Yeah. So give it to them. And I think I'll go over here.
Our
Yes.
topic is books. So this is a peer-to-peer business model. We are selling second-hand books, and it is a circulatory economic program because we are selling second-hand books, and we are charging 10% commissions, and the rest of the commission will be provided to the buyer. And we are using sustainable imprints and soya based imprints, so we are putting heavy pressure on the sustainable part. And instead of cutting down trees, we will use recycled pages on demand if on demand.
Have it close. This side is better. Yeah.
So instead of cutting down trees, we will use sustainable pages, recycled pages to print books that is on demand. And uh, and for the customer, we are selling to schools, libraries and children's. And with each sale of the book, we will ask them to plant a tree.
Okay. I just have to understand second-hand books and bee business. How does so? Are you opening a new portfolio in bee business, or shall I understand that it's some used books that?
Used books. Like in India, we have a concept like in India, like in schools and colleges, whenever our studies like is finished, then we
Yeah.
used to sell the books.
Okay.
So those books can be
Yeah.
used.
So it will be bee businesses used books that you are going to sell.
Yes, yes, sir. Like because
Okay.
we have to be sustainable, so we will be using those things which are already existed.
Okay.
We will
Okay.
like
Yeah.
for printing books and all. We
Yeah.
need more
Yeah.
plants.
Yeah.
So it's better to whatever it is there, we will recycle that,
Yeah.
and through that only we will try to generate profit.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay. So it will be a business model sidewards to new books.
Yes. If we get some extra demand, then we can print new books also, but that will be couple of days on demand.
Okay, and that will be a third business model.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
to generate
Yeah.
our profit, we have a like
same book only, but through like old books also we can generate profit.
Yeah.
And if there is a demand, then we can print also, but that will be also sustainable only.
Okay.
We will be using sustainable based things.
Yep.
And then through that we have our users and customers. In users and customers in B2B, we will be connecting with the NGOs, those who are concerned about society, and those who are providing value to the society.
Yep.
And then we will be consulting with sustainable publishers and authors also to sell our book. And then in under B2C we have website. Through website also we can sell our books.
Yeah.
And then we have stores, that is to schools and libraries. There also we can sell our books. So through this way we can generate profit under users and customers. And whenever we will be selling our books, we will tell our customer to plant a tree. That will be our intangible relation, which is included in other values.
So if I understand it, you are in the book portfolio. Yeah, you must correct me if, because I'm from outside, so I cannot read your minds already. So what you are thinking about is that this portfolio of books, you are increasing the number of business models in the portfolio
Yes,
with second hand,
yes,
with
print
print
on
on
demand.
demand,
Yes,
with different other things.
yes,
So you're putting in under this group.
yes.
So you are actually, I don't know which of these are your board up here. So you are kind of valuing this portfolio so it actually becomes larger.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah, to
Yeah.
generate profit,
Yeah.
like we are expanding our business to different models.
Yeah. So if we,
Normally, if we consider our book business,
yeah,
then books are normally generated from trees, cutting trees and all, right?
yeah.
But we need to make a sustainable model. So we are having
Ah,
the
yeah. Yes. Yes.
having the
Yeah. Yeah.
means criteria
Yeah.
so that our model can be
So,
sustainable.
so two things is you are playing on the level of business model. You know the triangle. You're playing on the portfolio and the business model because you are adding small business models to one portfolio. On the sustainability thing, you're playing on the environmental and the circle on the reusing.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
we are trying.
That's very smart.
We are
Yes.
trying
Yes.
to put
Yes.
the model
Yeah. Yeah.
means economically benefit to the customers as well as
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
business also,
Yeah.
and to make it
Yeah.
sustainable also,
Yeah.
green also. We are playing on both the aspects.
Okay, and with how many of the four boxes in the environmental box are you playing with? Are you playing with material and resources? Are you playing with waste?
Like we will be using second-hand books only.
Yeah,
So it is like from environmental perspective also it will be a good.
yeah,
And then resources, like we will be training our employees, like
yeah,
the logistic part, like we will be giving a proper training how to be sustainable.
yeah,
And then for delivery purpose, like we will be trying to reduce the carbon emission, like we will supply the things in bulk.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
if
yeah.
we are doing if we have to travel 2 or 3 times, we will try to reduce it to 1 time.
Okay,
Like
okay.
one time delivery, and it will be like for delivering also, and we will receive the materials also.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
for
yeah.
environment also it will be a good, and for our business
Yeah.
also it will be good.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is that when we come to the next case, remember to talk about which of the levels are you addressing, and which of the four boxes.
Core business will be book,
Yeah.
and then we will be having different models,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
a second-hand book,
Yeah.
then book print on demand.
Yeah.
That will be our business layer.
Yes.
It will
Yes.
be in our business
Yeah.
layer,
Yeah.
second
Yeah.
layer.
Yeah.
In the
Because if you relate it always to this, then that would be a higher level than just proposing. So we say, okay, we put some extra business model under the portfolio, then the portfolio will grow,
yes, yes.
and we play on this and this box in the green, and we play on this and this in the business and on the social. That's fine. Great.
Networks and competency building.
Oh, there's another.
So for the network part, for the physical network part, we would have a sustainable book fair and book signing events. Book
Yeah.
fair is like a common process in India where people from different publications come and promote their books. So we'll be putting our own stalls for promoting our books, and also the authors under our publications would also opt for signing events for spreading word for the book.
Yeah.
So, and for the digital, we would have a social media promotion in which the USP will be the our eco-friendly books, which is one of the products
Okay.
that is we would be promoting that we give second-hand books or print-on-demand books. So this would be our USP, and also audio books. In there are many audio books apps in India such as Amazon Audible or Pocket FM, which narrates various stories. So this
Mm-hmm.
would be the other one. And coming on virtual, we have the augmented reality and virtual reality, which would be offered through ebooks. So there would be a QR code in ebooks through which the users can go through the augmented reality or virtual reality and enjoy the process. So if anyone using augmented reality or virtual reality would be getting some points through it.
Yeah.
Like if they use it, they will get some 10 points or 20 points per use, so that they can use it for other purchases from our stores.
Okay. Okay. So what I will propose is that you take your board here, the one you made, and then you copy the bubbles and put it on the board. Yeah, yeah, on the bubble, because you have a lot of bubbles here that you put on, and then you address where on this level you are working, so you get a complete kind of performance where you have this one. So keep that one, and then you have adjusted on the B board, and then you are done. That's great. Fantastic. I like it very much. Yes, thank you. So, which of the boards are yours? So, yeah, you just have to put it over here and then adjust it. Okay? Yeah. Then we have over here, very excited. We have been excited right from 6 o'clock in the morning. So, you are still struggling with the numbers. And it's a new pencil. Have you agreed on that? Yeah. And but you're still you're lacking to you just need a 5 minutes extra for putting the numbers on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. And over here. So what I understand is that this is a completely different business model. Has nothing to do with this over here. Yes. Okay. Okay. Correct. Ex- Exactly. Exactly. Okay. Yes. Yes. But that's great. I was just thinking. I was just when I was thinking about it. I think now we have bee business as a water company. No, no, but that's fine. That's fine. Great. So now you are lacking drawing up. Yes, that's where you are right now. Okay, and you need an extra 5-10 minutes just to do that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Great. 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 Then we'll have a look. Good. Uh, yes. And you also have adjusted your boards. Okay. Very fine. Yes. Yes. Um, let me see. Okay. So these are all the new ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these are the bubbles.
Okay. And they are already here.
Yeah, because like workshops are something that we will implement. There's not anything that like of a prototype or a concept. We
Okay.
can directly implement it.
Yeah.
Same goes for the indie books.
Yeah.
That can be directly like we can directly connect with the Indian authors.
Yeah.
Also the digital rights.
Yeah.
So that is in the implementation.
Yeah.
And rentals is a concept that we are thinking of, which will next go for the trial and error.
Yeah.
We'll see if the rent books or the rentals go. Same goes for audio type. We'll directly try that
Yeah.
if it's working or not. And POD we have given kept it in negative for the first because print on demand is something which is like which will increase the cost because print on demand is not in bulk. We'll do it single
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 wide.
printing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it create like it increases our cost.
Yeah.
That is why I have kept it on negative. But
But
while
maybe we can
doing
pull it up here.
yeah,
Yeah.
If we achieve
Yeah.
the economies
yeah,
of
Yeah.
scale.
when we
Yeah.
introduce it, we can pull it up.
Okay.
For now, it's on negative, and commercial engagement is an idea that a community engagement is an idea we are thinking. Of,
Okay.
like how.
Okay. Okay. So if I address it then to this one here, can you show how the business will look like when this is implemented?
Like with all these or only the books?
All these,
Everything.
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 Yeah, because what you are doing is you are changing the business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great.
We'll add the bubbles as well.
The what?
Bubbles.
Uh, the bubbles will be over here, kind of, because they are not in
not in the
they cannot. Yeah, yeah. So you have to be over here and S is here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, but but the bubbles should kind of be placed on the level that.
Which level it
Yeah,
can
yeah,
be.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. You're finished. Yes, and you have the numbers on. Okay. Yeah. Yes. 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 Okay. Yeah. 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 No, yeah. No, no. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
all the for the gold, silver, and customer the earnings for the pencil are very less. Like it is in the it is in the decline stage or it is an introduction stage. So lot of improvement we should be we should be done. Like that's why first of all in the in the technology we have to we have to use the AI technology for the demand forecasting.
Yeah.
For the advanced processing, like we can use the automation predict automation by using the and it can it is in the bubble option we kept the lead free technology for the pencil product. Like some of the child people they will put it on the mouse like it will use
Ah, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's an issue.
we are kept in the lead free technology as a bubble option.
Okay.
Like after that, it is the human resource. So like we can hire the people who are practicing the sustainable products, like employees, workers.
Yeah.
So like we can hire the skilled management, like who can give the product designs and recruit people for the product design, like Upsara and Atras. Like it is in the two brand option that is in India. Like we
Oh.
can make them like a pencil design.
Yeah.
Like that should be attractive to the students and everything.
Yeah.
And also like we can and our culture is the our main culture is on the focus on sustainability and the CSBM and the earnings option. Like in the products we are providing the products as a pencil company service that is in the bulk option where we put it in because like many of the nowadays many of them using or not the pencils like for the like use of technology like for the visibility like they want the
He's saying that a lot of people don't use pencils anymore.
nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah.
They prefer pens or usually
If you
adapting to technology.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's like if you're using a pencil, you need not throw the casing away.
Hmm.
Instead of that, you can replace the lead technology inside,
Yeah.
the refill, and use it as a pen.
Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Like services we are providing that is a bulk supply options for the main business. So like for the schools and governments, we are providing the service with the bulk option.
Yeah.
And like we are providing the delivery options like service delivery options. Some of the people like want the delivery service.
Yeah. Yeah.
And like we are giving the subscriptions for the main business. It is a services. Now comes to the networking part. Here is a physical collaboration with the local vendors who manufacture who are manufacturing the pencils, like taking with the electricity. And like and also we are connecting with the business needs, more business needs for the different companies.
Okay. Yes.
Like in the digital, I will just do the SEO, search engine optimization for like, making the content blogs on like making our product is as sustainable and relevant product.
Yeah.
By ad marketing, an online e-platform for the booking online products.
Yeah.
Like we are creating the own CRM software management, like for the customer and tracking the customer behavior on the on our products.
Okay. Okay.
Like it is in the virtual, like we can YouTube and Google AdSense, like making the product visibility on making the awareness on a product in the list of.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like in the user and customer, we are mainly focusing here in the B2B business model. We are doing the upstreaming, like we are manufacturing businesses. Like we can give them our products to the some of the local some products, some business companies like Upsara and Atlas. Like we can provide them. And like we can provide our products to the schools and government education offices like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the main focus for us is to make purchasing also sustainable.
Yeah.
Because when we talk about sustainability, if you take a normal person like a layman,
Hmm.
sustainability also registers in the person's head as something that is affordable.
Yeah.
We go into the market and look at sustainable products or organic products.
Yes.
The thing is, everything is priced higher than the other products that are sold in
Yeah.
the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why the sustainable market is not a big hit,
No.
not only in India but in most parts of the world.
Yes. Yes.
So
So, my question is here: when you talk about sustainable, what are you talking about? Are you talking about the environmental, the business, or the social parameter?
everything's interrelated. I'll tell you. Environmental because we are not cutting down trees for wood.
Okay. Yes.
Social because we are picking the right soft power,
Yeah.
picking out the right talent,
Yeah.
and we are employing them.
Yeah.
And through employing them,
Yeah.
our business is growing.
Yeah.
So we are able to
Yeah.
offer more people employment
Yeah.
because the business is growing.
Okay. So you are playing the social.
Yes, and governance because we are able to work with a lot of people and we are also able to
Yeah. Yeah.
come up with the perfect
Yeah, yeah. And which of the 4 boxes in the environmental are you playing?
I think, yeah, biodiversity is one, but I wouldn't say biodiversity plays a major role because we're not chopping down trees, so
No.
the vegetation and the species there will thrive.
Yeah.
So we're not
Yeah.
harming
No, no, no. And the next thing, next
the
waste.
waste.
Waste. Yes, 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 yes. So, so
Oh yeah,
yeah,
we also added on like our casings, the pencil casings, we are using the recycled paper.
yeah,
There comes a time where the person has to discard it
yeah,
because the pencil is damaged.
yeah,
We came up with an idea wherein you have a small seed
yeah.
that's planted in the pencil. I think that's already there.
Okay, yes.
When you throw it away,
Yeah,
it like settles down in the soil.
yeah, and then it
And
goes up. Yeah, yeah,
as a
yeah. So what I understand now is that the only which of these are yours? Is that one? So what I understand now is that the only thing you need is the bubbles you have to put them over here on the left side, or yeah, or both, and then to put up the portfolios and the business models on the reverse butterfly, so that we can see how the business will come to look like when you have done this. Yeah. So if we can do that, and that would be really great, because then we can finish this session, and we can see how the business looks like after you have done this intervention. Yeah. Is that okay? Yes. Great. Yeah, you're done. So I'll take some water just to swallow it. Yeah. Okay.
okay, so the thing that this is model that we have chosen of this ladies. So if you look at this customer and the user base, so we have two dimensions over here.
Yeah.
One is B2B,
Yeah.
business to business, and the other one is B2C. So in business to business, users are the sponsors, conference sponsors, or corporate events
Yeah.
with which the company usually ties up,
Yeah.
and all the people who are attending the event, so they will become the users.
Yeah.
And if you look at the customers, it will be the retail stores, the hypermarkets, the supermarkets,
Yeah.
and the kirana stores. Like if you look around or walk around the campus, you find a lot of shops, they are selling this
Okay.
as a water.
Okay.
So that you are using.
Yeah.
Consider this thing.
Yeah.
So we all are the users
Yeah.
of this lady.
Yeah. Yeah. We are not
We
paying.
are not paying for it.
I thought actually it was the professor that paid. No, no.
But we are not. We are
Okay.
using this.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
look at
Yeah.
the customer dimension,
Yeah.
the B2C dimension, then again at social events and product
Yeah.
promotional
Yeah.
events, we will be they are the users, and the households,
Yeah.
the common people like
Yeah.
who will be purchasing the bottles.
Yeah. Yeah.
So they are the customers.
Yes.
And
Yes.
if we consider land, so they have outreach. Their outreach program is quite good. So you can find it to print advertisements in newspapers
Yeah.
and billboards
Yeah.
and TV commercials. YouTube advertisements are also there. And in the virtual, they have a good presence on social media platforms like Facebook and
Yeah. Yeah.
Instagram, and also on YouTube.
Okay. 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 Yes.
They run various activities by taking the sponsorship of or taking the franchising in cricket.
Yeah.
So in between,
Yeah.
they run their ad. So it's organic.
Yeah.
And even on TV, it's very emotional jingles that remain in our
Yeah.
mind.
Yeah.
They use camel.
Yeah.
They use camel in their advertisement,
Yeah.
and that all the cost can be reduced by having
Yeah.
this daily watch.
Yeah. Yeah. Just one second. For those groups that are, I don't know how far we are in time and so on, but for those group who are close to fit, please remember that you also show the impact of what you have proposed here on the sustainable and circle parameters. What are you? If you can draw up, how far have you come on the three parameters, and then also on the circular. So because that picture we would like to see on each of this, just to finish it. Okay, sorry.
So competence. So in value proposition, there are basically I have taken two different type of a product that are basically new to the product line.
Yeah.
In the biscuit product line, and there are the Himalayan carbonated water, and another one is the Vedic spring water. So basically, they are introducing the water which is their termed it as a soft water. Basically, the mineral count in the water is basically the amount which is actually needed for the human. Because so their the number of mineral or the type of water, the quality of the water depends on this.
So you are adding something to the water so that it comes up to the level of what the mineral yeah,
That is
yeah,
actually needed
okay,
for the
yeah, yeah,
water that
yeah,
for
yeah,
the human being.
okay,
And in the service side, as the distillery has a strong distribution management system,
yeah,
it's about 350,000 outlets and all across the India. So it has a door-to-door service provider. So this is a positive side for the company because as it provides it can the cost it can cut down the cost for the each bottle they are manufacturing and their distribution.
okay, okay, yes,
And in the process side, sir, it goes around 10 rigorous steps for the purification process, including the ozone verification process, ozone treatment in the water. So it can ensure the users or the buyers that the water they are providing is absolutely clean and absolutely it is like we can use it for in our day-to-day life. And
yeah.
it is absolutely helpful.
So this process is 10-step process,
Yes, sir. Yes.
but that must isn't that very energy consuming?
Yes, sir. It is energy consuming. That's why they have included a rainwater harvesting technology in the competency side. Actually, the water they are manufacturing, it is
Yeah.
basically from they are first storing the rainwater, and after that they are processing the water and
Okay.
make it in a way that is sustainable as well as it is clean.
Okay. So you are using rainwater for drinking.
Yes, sir.
Is that possible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm just
With
asking.
the experience
Because-
we are
yeah.
receiving in India,
Yeah.
it is obviously possible.
Okay.
And
Okay.
another positive aspect of is the technology. So this entire process that is done,
Yeah.
no human beings are involved.
Okay. Okay.
It's
Okay.
completely run
Yeah.
by machines.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. Great. 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 Super. Super. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. So we can actually go in the villages. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Per-
250 ml,
yeah.
it can be used for day-to-day activities.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
This thing is actually distinct this company from other competitors.
Okay.
Other competitor doesn't make this kind of product. They
No.
don't make this packaging with like 200 ml and 520 liters packaging.
Okay.
You have
Yeah.
more choices.
Yeah.
As an end user,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
have more choices.
Okay. Okay.
So something
Yeah.
that can
Yeah. Yeah.
So for all your purposes,
All the purpose.
you don't want to carry a water bottle. You
Yeah.
can go for a smaller,
Yeah.
smaller bottle. So
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
use it as a pocket.
Yeah.
Pocket.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So which is also one step towards the sustainability. Then there is like because of all this reason, there is like their profit is increasing. In the last financial year, there was an 18.6% increase in overall profit of the business.
Okay. Okay. That's really good. Yeah.
That in terms of sustainability, as you said in the previous session,
Yeah.
that energy consumption.
Yeah.
So now that entire process is automated. So
Yeah.
that is somewhere we can look into.
Yeah. Yeah.
The energy consumption is too high,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
whether it is standardized.
Yeah.
And another
Yeah.
thing is the packaging, as they have already stated that recycling, but still if you go to the village areas or somewhere in the cities, you will find such plastic bottles. They are still a
Yeah.
big problem for India.
You can see them all over. Yeah. Yeah.
So if
Yeah.
something can be done.
Yeah.
So these are the future directions
Yeah.
towards sustainability.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect, perfect. Thank you very much. I think we are coming to an end of the bee business. We're just having some small adjustments, and please take pictures of these because we would like to store your contribution. I don't know if we have any agreement on how to share the nice pictures.
Yes, sir. We have
Yeah.
a WhatsApp group, right?
Okay, so
Everyone can share.
yeah, so everyone can send it to a WhatsApp group, and then we can share it together. That would be wonderful. Uh, I just want to finally before 1 o'clock, where we have to stop. Isn't that right? Yeah. I want to address two cases that I just want to go through when we just start the next session. One says it's described in the book. One is about a Dutch business that is working with manure, and the second one is one of my good friends from one of the most famous children hospital in Barcelona in Spain, and it's called San Juan de Dieu, and it's they are regarded as some of the hospital that is most innovative in the world on children business models. I want to come with these two because I want just to give you a little bit more on the circular and sustainability thing, and then also address your attention to that when you innovate a different business model or a new business model, it can actually go in and have some cool effects on the business. Because at the moment you are very in a positive thing, but you also have strategically to understand that it can actually hurt the business if we don't think correct about it. So with these words, I think I will thank you very much, and then we will. When you're taking all the pictures and everything, then you have to clean it up again because we are starting a new case. Okay? Thank you very much.